Welcome into Awe Studio, everyone. Today I want to discuss something that's hardly ever covered when it comes to teaching children art, and that is how to have them model with their hands small figures and things. We often paint and draw, and that builds formative forces inside the person in a certain way, but modeling with your hands really creates a different quality inside. So today I'm going to show you something very simple that everyone from ages 5 and up can achieve. So for this little activity, you're going to need something like Sculpting or some soft clay that can dry in the air or be baked simply. And you can just have the children follow along with me on the video. And the first thing I'm going to do is ask them to warm it up in their hands. And you can do this many ways. Just squeezing will get it warm if your hands are warm, or pinching. That's another way to do it. Some people like to roll it on a surface, and some children will even like to smash it, although that won't get it very warm. And once you do get it warm, I want you to put it in your hands and right in your palms, begin to roll like that. And first thing I want you to do is see if you can get a really round surface. And this is really hard and challenging for a lot of people because you'll see round is not that simple. You're going to have to work at it for a few minutes to really get it to roll nice and round. Still a little square. Once you get it nice and round, you can test it out and see if it really does roll. And then, by the way, we're not going to keep it round, but we're going to start to pinch it and pull it with our thumbs like this. And what we're kind of doing here is bringing up one side so that we can sort of make a heart-like shape. And we're going to bring up that one side a little bit higher and higher until it looks something like this. And then we're going to pinch out the back just a little. So now we have something reaching up, upwards, and something going down, downwards, up and down. And then we'll just form this into a little beak, because what we're going to be doing is a bird. And we've got that tail here. I could take any kind of tool. You might have some little tools in your kitchen, such as a knife, or even a fork will do. But anything can make a little bit of a design on there for the tail. And now, for the wings, I'm actually going to depress with my thumb on both sides. And when I depress, I build out the surface. So I could do that on the top a little bit too. And as I said, this might be easier for you to do with a tool, but you can do a lot with just your fingers. You keep working to create a little bird shape. You could even add eyes at a certain point. This eye was a little bit too low. And you can keep playing with this shape. Yours might look very different than mine, and that's fine. We like that. Now I've worked on this for a few minutes myself, and you can see I've done a little bit of shaping to the wings, and I've even created a little tilt to the head. You just twist the head a little bit. Your bird doesn't have to be completely static. And you could continue to make maybe a small nest for your bird to sit in, as well as eggs, or maybe a branch to sit on. Okay, I want you to... So whatever you try to do with your bird, keep working on it. I went through mine pretty fast, but you can stop this video at any time and just keep going on yours. You might even work on it for a while and then come back to it in a few hours or even tomorrow and finish it. And then don't forget, you can air dry these or bake them in the oven. I'll show you how you can paint them next time.